we're really developing the platform, and we consider it a platform. And there are multiple opportunities with the platform, including multiple opportunities for different disease areas. Our focus is on solid cancers, and we are looking to develop these therapeutics for unmet medical need in solid cancers. And there are a variety of different indications in the solid cancer space that remain really in need of treatment. And our collaboration with Lion TCR indicates and symbolizes the interest in solid cancers. For us, it is a collaboration around T-cell receptors that have really been, I would say, pioneered by Professor Antonio Bertoletti, where he's really done some astounding work developing T-cell receptors against virally induced cancers. And the leading T-cell receptors that he's worked with and published on are T-cell receptors that recognize hepatitis B virus. And so that really comes together with our interest in developing these TCR-NK therapies. And in the case of Lion TCR, potentially with T-cell receptors that have strong validation around them. So some of these have been tested in the clinic with some interesting data in the context of autologous T-cells. And what we're looking to do is to take those, survey those in the context of NK cells, and really go after hepatitis B-induced liver cancer. And of course, hepatitis B-induced liver cancer really is a unmet medical need. Current standard of care for hepatitis B virus control allows you to control the virus, but there are no cures. Hepatitis B virus itself constitutes about 80% of all liver cancer patients, and the highest disease burden is in Asia, though there are significant patient populations outside of Asia too. And really, you know, when it comes to intermediate or late stage disease, it's really quite dire when you think about the outcome. So 10-year survival is around 7-8% or so. And so we think that there is a real need in that space. We also think that the biology around NK cells and the potential to treat with NK cells in liver cancer is very intriguing. And we think that the validation around the T-cell receptors and really the work that has gone into the T-cell receptors targeting hepatitis B through Antonio and Lion TCR really brings together all of the elements and for us makes it an exciting collaboration. And beyond that, we're looking at potentially developing T-cell receptors against other solid indications. And so we are in discussions with other potential collaborators around looking at developing together potentially these therapeutics for other solid indications.